Put on your goggles.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Coming to you from the 2016 Great Lakes Oracle Conference here in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, here to dig up some technical insight from a member of the Oracle community.
Hi, my name is Kellen Putt-Von-Gorman. I am the consulting member for the Enterprise Manager SCP team, Strategic Customer Program.
If you're ready, your 2 minutes starts right now.
So a lot of people are talking about cloning and the ease of provisioning with databases. One of the things that I love with Enterprise Manager 13c is the simplicity of database as a service. A lot of times when you look up database as a service from Google or through a Google search, you're going to see things that include data pump and transportable table spaces. I don't think that's a service to anyone. So if you go within Enterprise Manager 13c and you log into a database, you can actually click on Oracle Database in that left-hand scroll bar and go down, and you have cloning. And you can do even snap clones right from the drop down. So somebody comes to you and says, I need a copy of production for development, for test. You could even do that. Any monitored environment, you could make a copy of that right from the drop-down menus. This is powerful. So you can just set that up. You set up all your pools. If you want to copy an Oracle Home, you want to copy a database, you want to refresh a schema, it's in the drop-downs now. It's not a lot of setup. It's not a lot of wizards. We're talking like 5 pages, 5 steps. You set up all the profiles, the user administrator for it. DB12's even simpler, but we're talking 11.2 even. And you're not doing all of these steps that are manual and copying things over. You want to go hybrid cloud management, no problem, same thing. You set up your database pools, and then you can do these same things with just cloning with a matter of steps from the drop-downs. You don't have to worry about picking up a service catalog if you're just a DBA that wants to do cloning. Purchase that Database Lifecycle Management Pack. They want the licensing, but it is definitely worthwhile.
What did you think of that tip?
Nothing short of a miracle.
Let us know and stay tuned.